Using AliExpress gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to shop for a variety of products. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and make purchases. Step 1. Create or log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website or app and either create a new account or log into your existing account. You will need an account to use a gift card. Step 2. Find your gift card code. Locate your gift card, which will have a unique code. This code is usually found on the back of a physical card or an email if it is a digital gift card. Step 3. Go to the payment section. Once you have selected the items you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you will find the payment options available for your order. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. In the payment section, look for the option to enter a gift card code. Enter your gift card code in the designated field and click on the Apply button to redeem it. Step 5. Complete your purchase. After applying the gift card, the total amount will be adjusted based on the gift card value. Choose your preferred payment method for any remaining balance, if necessary, and complete your purchase. Now you are ready to enjoy shopping with your AliExpress gift card. Happy shopping!